Donations are now being accepted for Galaxy Log. Please go to the following link for more information. Thank you from the Galaxy Man.
My first view of the night was in Leo, in the interacting pair NGC 3226 and NGC 3227. Also in the field of view is the small faint galaxy NGC 3222. Even at this low power, sky conditions seem good, though transparency early on was just fair, but steady seeing might be above normal. As the night went on, transparency got better, and I was correct about the seeing. I decided to insert a 9mm wide-field eyepiece to give the pair a better look. NGC 3226, the elliptical galaxy, shows a bright oval disk with an almost stellar nucleus that stands out. NGC 3227 is a spiral and larger, with a bright prominent stellar nucleus, more elongated with its northwest edge bumping up against 3226. This is one of the better interacting galaxies in this area of the sky. Into western Ursa Major, in the great inclined spiral galaxy NGC 2841. With a 9mm eyepiece, the galaxy showed a large bulging nucleus, with its outer regions going northwest to southeast. The southeast side seems a bit more extended in the northwest. A bit of modeling in the scene. The whole view itself looks like M31 as seen through a finder scope or binoculars. Staying in Ursa Major, in the elongated galaxy M108. This galaxy is known to be a fine pairing in the sky, with a planetary nebula, M97 or the Owl Nebula. And a good wide-field low-power eyepiece, this makes for such a unique view. But the galaxy is nearly 16,000 times farther away. My best view of M108 came using a 12mm wide-field eyepiece. Here sky conditions really began to bring in detail, like I've never seen before, of this object and fine telescope. Star clouds and dark dusty nebula are laced throughout, and standing out a bit more west of center. This detail was striking. Heading just north of M108, I located the unusual elliptical galaxy NGC 3610. Though being an elliptical galaxy, it is a disk resembling a spiral. Here's Hubble's view. With a 7mm wide-field eyepiece, the galaxy showed an extremely bright vivid core and nucleus. Actually using the same technique when viewing the blinking nebula, straight on and then inverted vision, the disk of the galaxy became easily apparent. Time to go a lot fainter in a trio of galaxies, NGC 4613, 4614, and 4615 in Coma-Burn Ices. With a 7mm wide-field eyepiece, the trio and a nearly 12th magnitude star form a diamond pattern. Spiral NGC 4615 is the largest of the three. The galaxy showed an elongated shape with a slight brightening in the core. NGC 4614 is smaller but brighter, with a distinct core and oval disk. NGC 4613 is by far the faintest and smallest, that is seen as round with a very faint nucleus. Into Leo Minor, in interacting galaxies NGC 3395 and NGC 3396. With a 7mm wide-field eyepiece, NGC 3395 overall stands out a bit more. Shows a large core region with the southwest side more prominent. The northeast side slightly tapers towards its neighbor. NGC 3396 shows a brighter central region that is elongated. Both galaxies have a very mottled appearance. My last view of this night was M64, the Black-Eye Galaxy, in Coma Berenices. Sky conditions really showed here while using a 5mm wide-field eyepiece. At 305 magnification, I just said, "Oh my God." The great seeing conditions allowed to bring out details seen in many photos of this remarkable galaxy. The small core stood out vividly, with the dark dust nebula on the northeast side of the core easily seen that gives M64 its nickname. With careful observation, a slight spiral formation was seen in the disk in both inner and outer regions. This was the best view I've had by far with this telescope of this great galaxy that is wonderful to observe with even far smaller telescopes. Until the next Galaxy Log, happy galaxy observing, and remember, there's an amazing universe all around us. Explore it.